Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Idronil. I am a full stack web developer and a Gen AI developer. I work as a freelancer who build websites for businesses. So today I will show you how you can create a simple AI agent using CrewAI and Nebius AI. So from the Nebius AI, we will take the LLM model, and from the CrewAI, we will build a simple agent which will answer the user's query. This will be a first video in our series to build how to build AI agents using CrewAI. So today I will show you a simple example, and the next day I will show you how you can call the CrewAI tools and you can create custom tools for your tasks and integrate them into your website. So let's begin how we can build a CrewAI website. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's begin. So I have created the file and created the VNV environment for as well. So if you want to create CrewAI, so you first have to import it from CrewAI. So from CrewAI import agent and then task and crew. So you have to import it from the CrewAI for building your agents. Then from dot import from dot env, you have to import the load dot env and import os. Then yeah, also from crew AI import process and crew. This will do our task, and we have to load .env for storing our Nebius API key. So if you still have not Nebius API key, you can simply go to the Nebius API. I will show you how you can go there. So Nebius AI Studio, you can come here and create your account. So now here I already have an account and my API key. So from the get API key, you can easily create your own API key. So after that, you just simply can put it in the .env file and then load it through load.env. Okay, so how we will use Meta LLM from the Nebius API key, how we can build the LLM from the Nebius API. So I am creating LLM equals to LLM. Then I have to provide the model name. I have to provide the model name. Let me copy paste it because I usually do Control C, a lot of error in typo, and then I have to produce the base URL. This also you can find in the documentation of the Nebius API, that I will also do the copy paste. Control C, Control V. Next, I have to provide the API key here. So API key equals to yeah, os.nebius API key. I have stored the Nebius API key in this name. So therefore, so now our LLM has been okay. Oh, from the QA we also have to import the LLM as well. Yeah, now the error has gone. So in this LLM variable, we have load the LLM from the Nebius API. Now we have to create the agent for answering our question. So we have to create agent, and then in the agent we have to provide first the role. We have to provide the role, that what role it is achieving. So oh sorry, it is doing. So let's give it at senior software engineer. So your agent will work. It's we are creating the background of the agent. You are clearly telling that what your role is. So if you have multiple agents, you will give their role. So if you have some agent which will do the task from the browser, you will give it role as it is. And then if you have another agent which will write a report based on the search results from the browser, so you will give the role as writer or analysis writer, like this. Okay. Next, the after the role, you have to provide the goal, that what goal it is doing. So I am just copy pasting it from there, that the goal of this agent is discover groundbreaking technologies in quantum computing. Okay. So now we are, oh sorry, we have to put a comma there. Yeah. So now goal and then verb. So it will give you a better response for this. And at the end for the LLM, we will take the LLM we have built in the previously. So now this agent which have this role senior software engineer, using this LLM will do the task for you. Next, what I have to give, okay, another thing you also can give here, that is backstory. So backstory is another parameter that you can provide to set up your agent to get more prominent and correct answers. That backstory is, I am giving a curious mind, control C and then control B. Yeah. Mm, Now, yeah, a curious mind fascinated by cutting edge innovation and the potential to change the world. You know everything about quantum computing and its application. So everything about your agent role, what its goal, what LLM is it will do use, and the backstory you have given. Next, the agent, you will do the task for it. That what task it will do. For this, again, we will use the task from the CrewAI. We have imported it earlier. Now the task, for the task you have to first give the description for this. And so I am giving that research and summarize the latest achievements in quantum computing, focusing on practical applications and future potential. Next, the task is, next you will give next is expected output, a comprehensive report detailing the latest advancements in quantum computing, including practical applications and future potential, with references to key research papers and articles. So this you can give that what expected output from your agent. And next, the what agent it will use. Sorry. So for this task, you can have multiple agents. So which agent it will use? So the agent we have built earlier, that will be used here, agent. And then as the task is already presented there, then let's create the crew. Crew means the final task step. So it's crew, and what parameters it takes. It takes that which agents it will use. In the list you can give it. So we now for this task we only have one agent. If you have another agent or multiple agents, you just need to put them in the list. So agents and agents, and then it will be tasks equals to task, the task we have created here. And then another point is process. This is important. Sorry. No, there is a mistake here. This should be small here. So here will be process, and here process dot sequential. Okay, no need of giving steps, sequential. Yeah, so what does it mean? That it, so now we have only one agent and one task. So think if you have multiple agents and multiple tasks, then you have to provide it if those tasks will be done sequentially. Sequentially means if your agent which is doing the search over the over the browser, so it will first search it over the browser and then give the search result to your writing agent, and based on the results the writing agent will write the report. So it will be sequential. But you can build some application or AI agent which can be work in parallel. In that case, in parallel means multiple agents are work in parallel. So in that case it can be process.hierarchical. We will show that example some other day. Okay, so we are done, and then at last we have to give this crew. We have to give this crew dot kickoff. Yeah. Now it's done. Let's save it and let's try to run this one. Our AI agent is done. It's pretty simple. Let's try to run it. Python yt1.py. Might take some time. Let's see how it can be done or how it can run. And also in the meantime, please let me know from where are you watching and what kind of stuffs you are building. I usually read every comments, and also you can reach out to me over look how it is doing. So agent, senior software engineer, the task it has taken. Let's wait for the output. Yeah, from where you are watching, what you are building, and if you need any help in building websites or AI agents, please reach out to me. I am a freelance developer, so I can help if is there any work, and also share your works with me in the social handles. I love to read them, and I love to try and test it out, and also I will be happy to share your work with my community so that you get more visibility. Let's wait. Yeah, now we have got pretty much response, good response, right? That quantum computing advancements, practical applications, and future potential, tremendous progression, and then hardware advancements, software advancements, practical applications, and then it also included the references, that what kind of everything. So it's pretty easy to build CrewAI AI agents using CrewAI and use them in your websites. There are plenty of applications you can build. Please let me know. Hope you have enjoyed. Let me know in the comment box if you have liked it. So put a like, press the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you. See you another day.